ago, we just had Delta Airlines enforce this $200 mandatory fee for those who are not vaccinated to cover the shifting of business risk. We do believe that potentially could be unlawful. So my firm is going to be looking at the collective bargaining agreement for Delta to determine whether or not that is the unlawful shifting of business risk and business expenses. But we do see employers and local governments pushing the envelope to determine whether or not how far they can go vaccinating or forcing or mandating a vaccine for their employees.
Well, Attorney Jonathan, tell us more about that. So you already have clients reaching out to you that are employees of Delta. Tell us more.
That is correct. As of this morning, there was a news blurb about Delta enforcing a $200 mandatory fine, which is intended to shift the risk of their health insurance to their employees. We believe this potentially could be a violation of the collective bargaining agreement. We do intend to review it and potentially file a nationwide class action if it does violate that. As an employer, you cannot just shift business risk or business expenses to your employees. That would be unlawful. And as we see more businesses trying to push the envelope, we're going to see these types of claims potentially come. Can your employer mandate a vaccine? Potentially. Can they shift business risk? Probably not.
All right, so I want to ask both of you this question, but I'll stay with you since you have clients. Attorney Frantz will go to you after. But we're seeing more and more breakthrough cases. So if I'm fully vaccinated and I still get COVID, will they still impose that $200 increase on me?
That's essentially going to be one of the primary arguments. They are essentially discriminating against, although there is no protected class, on vaccination status. And they're doing so in an unequal way. However, the big thing here is that they're imposing that business risk onto their employees. We can make this similar argument to, is there an obligation for employees to fill up their own gas tanks for work vehicles? It's the same type of issue there. They cannot shift illegally business risk onto an employee.
All right.